Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix lag on EA Football Club 24 on your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and apps. If you go here to the game library, you're gonna find all of the games and applications installed on your device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. You're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to fix lag on EA Football Club 24, first of all, go to the game. And then once you go to the game, make sure you close it if it's open. And then click on option. Once you click on options, here you're gonna find the option to check for updates. Here you can upload or download saved data. Here you're gonna find manage game content, delete. Here you're gonna find update history, information, intellectual property notices, and lastly the option to keep the game in the home screen. So go ahead and click on check for update. And then once you do that, as you can see guys, it will say please wait, just wait for it to load. And then once it's loaded, if there is any available update, it's going to appear right here. And if you have any available updates, make sure you update your game, because if your game is outdated, you will have a lot of problems like lag and etc. As you can see guys, my game is already up to date, that's why I have this message. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.